Water. Sorry. Hello there, guys and girls. Good evening to each every one of you. Let's have some late snacks. I didn't have my dinner. My lunch. Sorry, because there's no good viand selling near at the store in our place, and I'm some kind of a busy. I have here a palabok, pansit ng taga Malabok, and I also have here a Ebby burger from McDonald's. Let's put some calamansi juice. This could be my day 15, guys and gals. Day 15 of not eating meat like pork, beef, chicken. I hope you are doing the same thing. Congratulations! Keep it up, okay? Yes, you can make it. Even though you couldn't complete it, for as long as from the bottom of your heart that you are doing that kind of thing just to give respect to our supreme being, for he died on the cross, and just to redeem our souls and save us from sins. So be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Love it. Yumminess. Oh, of course, side of the cross. Sorry. So hungry. How about this one? Ebby burger. It's a shrimp sandwich. Love it, love it. Bye for now.